Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open Microsoft OneNote on startup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Microsoft OneNote, I want you to click the sign up option and just follow the on-screen instructions. Opening Microsoft OneNote during startup can be a simple process, but I tell you that it's very beneficial in a lot of situations, especially if you're frequently using it for your organization, note taking, or collaboration with your team members. All right, so one of the best option for you to be able to open the Microsoft OneNote app during startup is simply using the startup programs via the task manager. How to do it? I want you to press the Windows button plus the R key on your keyboard if you're using Windows. All right. That would give you a pop-up window of the Run dialog box. And from here, I need you to type in msconfig right here and press enter. You would be forwarded with this dialog box right here. Now, all I have to do is go to the startup option. All right, you see in the startup selection are these: normal startup, diagnostic startup, or selective startup. So click on the startup, and from here, open the task manager. As you can see right now, I have set the Microsoft OneNote disabled during startup, and we have a separate video on how to disable the Microsoft OneNote that you might want to check in our channel. It's part of this video. It's part 2. And for you to be able to automatically open Microsoft OneNote during startup is right click on it and click the enable. You would notice that the status has now been enabled, and that would automatically open your Microsoft OneNote once you open your computer. All right. Now, the next option is I want you to go to the file section on the upper left corner. Click that, and then hover to where it says options. Click on it. Now, on the general section on the left side panel of your dashboard, you should be able to scroll down to see that there should be an option that says start OneNote automatically, and check that box if it's have it. You see that? Enable class notebook. If you don't see that option to start OneNote automatically, you might be using an older version. If that's the case, I need you to click the help button right here. Click that and click on support. You would be forwarded to this section, and you might want to click the submit button. All right, and see if you get an answer. Otherwise, I highly suggest you go to the official Microsoft support page, wherein just select the product that you need help with, and that is going to be Microsoft 365 because OneNote is part of it. And if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you're having problems opening the Microsoft OneNote on during startup, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.